and another one in which President Reagan is dressed as Santa Claus with his wife and his wife. More than 2,000 people liked that tweet. One tweeter user replied, "Practice aside, it was a love story." A lot of people wanted to know how many presidents Souza has worked with and how long he's worked with.
我是记者王凯，搜寻两会大咖，主要看他们的气质。
laanta Soomaaliga idaacadda VOA si toos ah idinkaga imaaneysa magaalada Washington. Waxaa dalka Qatar la sheegay in la dejiyay naxin. Está en el aire el programa Cuentos, Música y volunteer soup kitchens and things like that. Or even stuff. Gore to President Nixon. I don't think he lied to us, did he? Sí, José. Así que cuenta que...
Well, I must be here for money, right?
De marzo, convocado a la Universidad de La Habana.
I don't want to have to do this, and not because I resent. Libya's presidential council proposed an 18-member national unity government under the EU-invited Libya political agreement. The first proposed 32-member cabinet was rejected due to the large number of ministers.
Thankful for your support, which has helped continue the